Special shout out to My Crypto Paradise. He put on here, this was on the last stream. This is a great comment. It says, great stream. I really like your transparent storytelling. So I tell you everything, guys. I tell you my wins, I tell you my losses. Right here, this is not me selling you something. This is me offering it to you. If you want it, great. Now, if I was trying to sell you stuff, I'm not gonna lie. Like I was telling on Alex Crypto this morning, you don't find a lot of honest people out there, especially if they have something to sell, because they're going to say what makes them look really good. And when that happens, it's not really saying a lie, but it is being deceitful, because you're not saying, oh, I post 20 charts a day and these are the 3 results that I have. That's what a lot of groups do. What I do is I show you, here's how to trade. And if you have the money, join. If you don't have the money, make the money and then join. That's my business philosophy. I show you my stuff works. And it's literally putting my money where my mouth is. I'm literally giving you all this stuff for free. You make money, you're like, hey, let me see how much more money I can make. Join the group, you learn faster, you get pretty much access to me almost 24/7. That ain't no lie. Oh my gosh. See here about the trading challenge. So I did upload the video. I edited it and I uploaded the video to where I talk about the trading challenge from a prop firm breakouts with my honest review. So definitely check that out. It is so relatable and honest. Yep. That's what a lot of people don't like me, because I'm very honest and I speak the truth and my mind, which is the truth. And then there are other people that do like it because I'm honest. I'm not here to bamboozle you. I'm not going to refer you to somebody who I think is trash. I'm going to refer you to Army Piper, Alex Crypto, Tradefly, OC. Like all these people, excuse me, all these people are good. I'm not going to talk to you or lean you to somebody else who wrecks people. I'm not going to do it. That's not in my nature. Let's see here, which is rare in this space. Honest. Your focus on patience, liquidity zones, and adapting to the market conditions is pure professional mindset. Thank you, my friend. I'm assuming you're either a really great trader and you understand all these concepts already, or you're a newer trader that really hasn't seen this type of stuff, because nobody, it's not too often that you find people. Now, the people that I just mentioned, those are the ones you want to follow, because they're good people. And it's rare in this space. For everyone watching, always remember, trading is not just about patterns, but about managing emotional risk. Yeah. And I talk about that all the time. Trading is very psychological. Trading is very emotional. You have the fear, the greed, the anxiety, the depression, the anger, the frustration, the jealousy, the envy, all that stuff. Why are they making more money than me? They're up 80%. I'm only down 4%. Man, all those emotions. Stay adaptive, right? Give what the market gives you. Take what the market gives you. Don't give it. Take what the market gives you. Learn from every loss. And this is so important. So here, this is what I always teach as well. If you're losing more than you would like, problem, you're losing too many times. Solution, oh, maybe I should move my stop loss a little bit lower. 4%, it's too risky right now. I'm seeing it all come down to 8 or 12%. Let me put it to 15%. Only if you're mentally, financially, and emotionally with the amount of money you're losing. If not, reduce your entry, reduce your margin, reduce the amount of money you're using to trade, so that when you do have your stop loss, you're not losing $500. You're only losing $80, $30, whatever your 1% is of your entire portfolio. So that's very important. Keep refining your strategy instead of forcing trades. Being selective is the edge that builds accounts steadily. So once again, special shout out to My Crypto Paradise. Thank you, my friend. Appreciate you. And you just became my favorite.